need a paper towel, sandwich bag, measuring spoon, vinegar, and baking soda.
Whoa!
Whoa! Now to start the experiment, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of baking soda on top of our paper towel. So let's put this to the side so you guys can see.
Yeah.
So that's the side. Let's do it. 3 tablespoons.
But it has to be in the middle of the paper towel.
Now we're gonna fold our paper towels with baking soda in it. So let's fold.
This feels so weird.
Guys, we finished putting our baking soda inside of our paper towel, and now we're gonna put our vinegar inside of our sandwich bag. So let's do it.
So at least put it up to this point.
Like right here. Put it
Yeah,
up to
like right here.
So right there, let's get it. The vinegar. Okay, well, hold this open for me so I can believe it.
Yeah?
Tell me when to stop, because I might not be able to see.
Okay. But do it slowly. Like
Put it
now.
on top of the table.
Yeah. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Yep.
Yeah.
That's good.
So we're just gonna zip it up for now.
Zip it up.
So now you hold this. Now pour. And I can see what level I'm playing. Stop.
Yep, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, did we finish doing that part?
Now we're gonna zip. Cap it on.
Guys, let's add some food coloring to make it more colorful.
Yep.
Let's get some food coloring.
I'm gonna get pink.
I'm gonna get blue.
Now we're gonna open it up.
And put like 2 or 3 drops in there.
Yep. We're gonna put 2 or 3 drops in here.
Do 3.
1,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Done.
I'm done.
Put it back. Now we're gonna seal it.
Yep. And now we're gonna just shake it a little bit.
Yeah, shake it a little bit.
Just a little bit like that.
So now we're gonna get our paper towel with baking soda inside of it, and we're gonna open up our sandwich bag,
Yep.
and then make sure it doesn't touch the vinegar.
Make sure you don't drop it in there.
It will drop it in there. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna drop it in. Okay, now to shake it.
Shake it really good.
That's so cool, that scared me. It went like everywhere. It went
It's everywhere.
Now the paper towel. Look at the paper towel. This is so cool. It's like blue everywhere.
It is like kind of a green.
Ew, it smells nasty.
It smells like barf. I think everything smells like barf. It's time for me to drop mine in too.
Take a lot. I didn't really pop as much as mine though.
Yeah. Ew.
Look, ew, it's coming out everywhere.
Like this.
It makes it purple. This is so cool. It's like a rainbow. Guys, look. This is so cool. Ew. That makes it purple. Guys, there was a reaction with the vinegar and the baking soda, which made a gas called carbon dioxide, which caused the sandwich bag to explode.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video.
Bye! This is so cool. It's like a galaxy.
Peace.